Hey everybody, exciting news today. We've got the new E-flite EC-1500 Twin. The beauty about it is Friendly Hobbies is a certified partner. So we get early access for our customers to come in and get their hands on it and pre-order to be in the first production run. You see we've kind of built it already, got it all programmed. I just want to show some of the really cool features of this plane. They hit it out of the ballpark with this guy. You know, here at Friendly Hobbies, we like to FPV everything. So they were thinking about us when they did this. Right here in the top, a little tab, you can open it up and you can put your FPV camera there. Another nice feature about filming is the whole nose comes right off. Big area here to put a full-size GoPro in it. So you're gonna get crystal clear 4K video and FPV at the same time. What a wonderful thing. I really like that they made the inside of the battery tray just enormous. It can accommodate anywhere from a 3-cell to a 4-cell, 3300 up to 4000. They also made it where it's really nice that there's plenty of room here to accommodate your extra electronics, your FPV camera, your GoPro power, whatever you need to do. There's plenty of room there to accommodate all of your electronics. This baby's a little big, so the developers and the engineers over there at Horizon really thought this out and made this thing really easy to take apart. First of all, you have these thumb screws here for the wings. The wing just plugs in, all the servos plug in, everything's there, the power. But they made these little thumb screws here that make it super simple to pull the wings off and transport it. Even if you have a very small area, they did something really cool I want to show you to the stab. A little button underneath the stab here, and you push it, and you can kind of hear it click, and then the whole stab just comes right off. No screws, no nothing, just that little button right there. So it goes right back on. Very easy to transport. You hear that click and she's ready to fly. So I've got it all programmed in our IX-12. I'm going to power it up and I want to show you some of the really cool features about this plane. The one thing that I did want to mention is they have the receiver extremely close to the side of the wall, and it was a little tough getting in the bind key. And I do this with all my planes, but I'll put in a little 6-inch extension so that I can plug the bind key in anytime and make it really easy to bind. So let me power up. It has EC5s on it. You see it go through the initialization that the AS3X is working. It's also programmable to do a switch selectable safe mode. That's really nice for the new pilots because anybody can fly this in safe mode. It makes it so easy. So it's all powered up, everything's working. I've got flaps going here.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, take flaps up.
They give you some pretty good rates there on ailerons and your surfaces. Quite a bit of throw there. That's 100%.
Mid rate, low rate.
But I really wanted to show you something fun that they added to this plane. So scale. If you look in the back there, we're going to drop
Bomb away door open.
the Bombay door so that you can drop cargo out of it. Really cool. That goes onto your gear channel and you just program it on a 2-position switch to go open and close. So we're going to get some video of us dropping stuff. Usually we don't fly our early access babies, but this one we can't help it. We got to fly this thing. I want to show a couple cool things that they include in the kit. The one thing is different stickers so you can do any type of military markings that you want to put on it. Another nice thing that I thought was really cool is they gave you a set of skis for you guys out in the snow. They just clip right onto the gear and you pop it on some snow and you're flying. You can also put floats on it, but those are optional at an extra charge, and I don't think they're that expensive, but it'd be great to get this on the water and flying. Once again, we're early access here. Only Friendly Hobbies has it. Come down, get your hands on it, take a look at it, get yours on pre-order today.